Hello! Today we will solve a question from the TOEFL Reading section. We will practice completing missing letters and finding the correct word. I am delighted to be your guide today as we sharpen your vocabulary skills and learn how to use context clues effectively to ace this section. If you find these lessons helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the My TOEFL channel for more tips and strategies. Joining our community is the best way to stay consistent with your study plan and reach your target score. Let us first look at the opening sentence. Hieroglyphics were the formal writing system used in ancient Egypt, combining logographic and alphabetic elements. This sentence introduces the main topic. Notice the phrase formal writing system. This tells us exactly what hieroglyphics were, a structured method of communication. The sentence also explains the structure of this system by using the word combining. This participle indicates that the system was not just one thing, but a mixture of logographic and alphabetic elements. Recognizing that this is a definition helps us understand the context for the rest of the paragraph. Instead of jumping straight into the blanks, it is often more strategic to gather clues from the following sentences. In this specific question type, the sentences with missing words often rely on the information found in the complete sentences that follow. By reading the full text first, we gain a clear understanding of the historical context and the main idea. This big picture approach prevents us from guessing blindly and allows us to predict the missing words with much higher accuracy. We now move on to the fourth sentence, which provides a key historical fact. The discovery of the Rosetta Stone in 1799 was crucial for deciphering the ancient script. Here, we see a pivotal moment in history. The word crucial means extremely important or necessary. It describes the role of the Rosetta Stone. The text tells us that this stone was essential for deciphering, which means figuring out or decoding, the meaning of the ancient script. This confirms that hieroglyphics were difficult to read until this discovery. We now turn to the fifth and final sentence, which summarizes the impact of understanding this writing system. Understanding hieroglyphics has unlocked a wealth of knowledge about Egyptian civilization, culture, and history. This concluding sentence explains the result of the deciphering mentioned earlier. The phrase, unlocked a wealth of knowledge, is a beautiful metaphor. It suggests that knowledge was locked away and inaccessible until we could read the script. This knowledge covers three major areas: Egyptian civilization, culture, and history. Knowing this helps us realize how significant the scribes and the writing system were. Now that we understand the context, let us look at the first blank. Blank intricate system was. The question provides the letters T and H and contains two spaces. We need a word that points back to the formal writing system mentioned in the previous sentence. Since system is singular, we need a singular demonstrative pronoun or adjective starting with the given letters. The word that fits perfectly here to reference the subject is this. Moving on to the second blank in this sentence. This intricate system was blank for religious. The question provides the letters U and S and contains two spaces. The structure here is was followed by a verb, indicating the passive voice. We are describing the function or purpose of the system. The past participle that starts with the given letters and means employed or utilized is used. Let us tackle the third blank. This intricate system was used for religious literature, official inscriptions, blank monuments. The question provides the letters L, I, T, and E and contains 6 spaces. We are looking for a noun that is modified by the adjective religious. The context discusses writing and documents. Based on the given letters, the word referring to written works, especially those of artistic or intellectual value, is literature. Next, we focus on the fourth blank. This intricate system was used for religious literature, official inscriptions on monuments, blank important documents. The question provides the letter O and contains one space. We need a preposition that connects inscriptions with monuments. Inscriptions are carvings placed upon the surface of something. Therefore, the correct preposition starting with the provided letter is on. Now for the fifth blank in this series. This intricate system was used for religious literature, official inscriptions on monuments, blank important documents. The question provides the letter A and contains two spaces. We have a list of items: religious literature, official inscriptions, and important documents. To connect the final item in a list, we use a conjunction. The standard conjunction starting with the given letter is and. Let's proceed to the next sentence and the sixth blank. Blank, who were. The question provides the letters S, C, and R and contains four spaces. This sentence introduces a group of people who were highly trained professionals and could write. In ancient Egypt, the specific term for people employed to write documents is required here. Based on the context and the given letters, the correct noun is scribes. We are now at the seventh blank. Scribes, who were highly trained professionals, were blank trained professionals. The question provides the letters H, I, and G and contains three spaces. Here we have the adjective trained modifying professionals. We need an adverb to modify trained to show the extent or degree of their training. The word starting with the provided letters that means to a high degree is highly. Let's look at the eighth blank. Scribes, who were highly trained professionals, were blank the few who could read and write blank complex. The question provides the letters A and M and contains three spaces. This word states that scribes were part of a small group of people, the few. We need a preposition that indicates being included in a group. The correct word starting with the given letters is among. Next is the ninth blank. Scribes, who were highly trained professionals, were among the few who could read and write these complex blank. The question provides the letters S, Y, and M and contains four spaces. This word refers to the logographic and alphabetic elements mentioned earlier. We are looking for a plural noun that describes the individual characters of the writing system. Fitting the description complex and starting with the given letters, the answer is symbols. Excellent work completing this passage. Remember, reading the entire text to grasp the main idea is often the key to unlocking difficult vocabulary blanks. Keep practicing this top-down approach to improve both your speed and accuracy.